बाद टेंट से टाइम ला देनी टेंट से लाउन का टेंट से बाद वेले फिर मैं किक आउट कर दे क्लास च फिर नहीं कोई चक्कर और कितने पढ़ाई पूरी कर लिया
Good morning to everyone. We are going to start.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Lapreet,
Good
please
morning,
turn
sir.
on your audio.
Good morning, sir.
Lapreet, could you please turn on your video? Okay, I'm going to start the attendance. Please turn on the video so I can go through the attendance. Anish, Vikrant,
Present, sir. Present, sir. Anish present, sir.
Komarpal,
Yes, sir.
Karanbir,
Present, sir.
Harjot, Akash,
Present, sir.
Shaina, Monisha,
Present, sir.
Shruti,
Present, sir.
Shehbaz, Tanu,
Present, sir.
Ranveer,
Present, sir.
Sahil,
Present, sir.
Mohit, Tushar, Navneet Kaur. Tushar, are you there?
Three is in waiting room.
Navneet Kaur, Navjot Kaur,
Present, sir.
Navjot Kaur,
Present, sir.
Komal,
Present, sir.
Divjot, Divjot absent, right? Kapil,
Present, sir.
Navjot,
Present, sir.
Sarvapuri,
Present, sir.
Manvir, Bhavesh,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Ka,
Present, sir.
Sumanpreet,
Present, sir.
Sukhpreet,
Present, sir.
Sukhmanpreet Kaur,
Present, sir.
Simarjeet,
Present, sir.
Robanpreet, Rajvinder,
Present, sir.
Jot,
Present.
Robin Bitcoin is present, sir.
Rajvinder,
Present, sir.
Twinkly Jot,
Present, sir.
Harminder,
Present, sir.
Neha, Muskan,
Present, sir.
Mahakdeep,
Present, sir.
Jot Kaur,
Present, sir.
Jot,
Present, sir.
Manisha,
Present, sir.
Lovepreet, Lovepreet Singh, Lovepreet Kaur,
Present, sir.
Kulvinder, Karanbir, Jovanpreet Singh.
Present, sir.
Next is Jovanpreet Singh.
Yes, sir.
Present, sir.
Why two people are talking at the same time? You have to know who is the first one, who is the second one.
First one, me, sir.
And second one, me.
Okay. Jatanpreet Kaur,
Sir.
Jaspal, Harmeet,
Present, sir.
Gurmanjot, Gurleen Kaur, Gurinder Singh,
Present, sir.
Arshdeep Singh,
Present, sir.
Arjun,
Present, sir.
Amanveer,
Present, sir.
Mandeep Kaur.
Present, sir.
Okay. Okay, so yesterday we were talking about the bash scripting, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I requested you please practice, right? Manisha, please show me the yesterday activity which I have requested to do.
Sir, are you asking for me?
Of course, your name is Manisha. There's any one else, Manisha?
There is Monisha and Manisha.
Yeah, you are Manisha, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
please show me the yesterday because I could not check all the students.
Yesterday I was not present in the class, sir.
Why?
Um, I
You're
was
not
absent.
present, it's okay. But did you email me regarding your the leave?
No, sir.
So are you doing the same thing? If you're going for the job, you don't go for the job and then you didn't inform to the administration you are not coming today. That's my question, right? So you have to know about. Everyone is listening. Make sure you have to inform me. Otherwise, if you have any quiz, any activities, there's any marks, you will not entitled for that one. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Sorry, sir.
And now we are going to continue our discussion. Anish, you did not show me yesterday. Did you show me?
Yes.
Will you show me, Anish?
Uh, y-
Another
yes, sir.
Preet after that.
Sir, I took a screenshot yesterday, which I'm going to share with you.
I didn't ask you to show me the screenshot. Why you took
But
the screenshot?
sir, yesterday I off the terminal. So sir, how can I open the terminal? Because
Already is there, you know that you can open over there. The already the file is there. Just run it again and show to me. That's it.
okay, sir. Uh,
Not, I will not accept that one. Is that clear?
okay,
You
sir.
have to. You
Sir, I
will
need
go.
to.
The file is there. You just run the file again. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Look, Preet.
Yes, sir.
What do you see here? So yeah. Okay. Good. Thank you. The next is Parminda. Yes, Parminda. What you want to say?
Yeah, sir, I was also left.
Okay. I will come.
Can I show?
I will ask the. Let me check my. This one. The how many people, which people are not interested. Let me check those ones.
Okay, sir.
Quickly, Jot, please show me.
Sir, I didn't save the file yesterday.
What do you mean? This file is already there. Who ask you? File is already there. You have to run the name again. That's it.
Sir, I will
This
try to
means
do.
this means you didn't do anything. Sorry to
Sir, I
say.
did.
Let
I
me
did.
let me complete. Brinkley Jot, you are giving the excuse which is totally unacceptable. Those people who have done, ask them. Okay,
Okay, sir.
everyone can show you, but you will not show because you didn't do it. You have to accept the fact rather than giving me the excuses. What do you think? We don't know the students who are doing or who are not doing. So the person who will never follow the instructions, we know. So these are the students. From the day one, I'm just observing your the performance. Amandeep, Could you please show me your activity? I also showed you the another activity also. You didn't show me that one. Are you listening to me? Where's the second program? The second program you have to write down and show to me. Sukhman, please. So those people who are again turning off the videos, I'm just watching. Then later on, I will not allow throughout the class. So from onwards, I'm just telling you, the people you are keep ignoring my instructions, then I will also not take care. Then your friends are saying, sir, he is in the waiting room, or she is in the waiting room. Then you will be in the waiting room, and then you will get the email from administration. That's it. Sukhmanpreet still, that she is not there. Sukhman, are you there? Okay, the next. Karan Bir, Karan B-I-R. Karan B-I-R. Where is Karan Bir? Karan B, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Why are your videos off?
Sir, I am joining from my laptop.
Sorry?
I am joining from my laptop. In a minute.
Join from the two laptop. Oh, I think you are not in the class, right, Karan B?
Sir, I am in the class. I have joined from my mobile and I am joining from my laptop. Please give me 5 minutes.
It means you are outside, right?
No, sir, I am not outside.
Another is Navneet Kaur.
Sir, yesterday I didn't save it. So,
I told you what do you mean? If you have done your work, so your work is there. The problem is this one.
sir,
If you
I
are
did
what,
it, but I didn't
how
save.
come? Just check with any of your friends, anybody who can help you. The people who already have done, I ask? So immediately they will show me the file is there. You have to run the command again. I already mentioned to you. If you will answer this question, if you are answering this way, so I will realize you didn't do anything. To be honest.
Sir, I did it yesterday.
How again I think that you are not understanding my point. If you
Yes,
have
sir.
done, the file is there. This is not a Word file, so where you didn't save it.
Okay, sir.
Rajvinder, if you will keep busy on the phone, I will remove you from the class.
Sorry, sir.
So it means, Navneet, it shows you don't know the commands, how to do, how to search your file, all wasted, what the commands we are showing, ls command, how to go to the directory, you don't know. It means it shows that, that you didn't have the enough knowledge. Kamarpal, could you please show me? You are very happy today. Okay, thank you. So when you have done, Kamarpal, yesterday or today?
Yesterday, sir.
So how come that your friend they said that we have done yesterday is lost it, the work is lost. Will you please help
Sir,
them?
they can run that command again.
But they are not listening to me. Maybe they can listen you and they can understand.
Last वाली command फिर run कर लो.
Yeah, I'm telling you, no, but they said no, sir. Yesterday we lost, we did. So only excuses. Laprit Kaur,
Yes, sir.
please show me. After that, you didn't open anything. You didn't do anything, right?
Sir, I did.
Yeah. So you didn't run after that. This is the last command I asked you. I remembered. After that, you didn't do anything, right? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Vikrant.
Yes, sir.
Where is the second program?
Sir, right here.
No, this is not a second program.
Sir, 1 second. Sir, this is a command.
No. The second is also not working fine. Bash, bash, bash is showing. You didn't write the properly. The
Sir,
second
I wrote bash 3 times by mistake.
Yeah, you have to go and edit the file again. Go
Yes.
inside the file. VI. What is the file name? Space. What is the file name?
Sir, hello.
No, VI mean you're going to open the file. Remove. You have space. File name. Even you don't know the how to go inside the file, you are going to combine the two different commands. Hello.sh. And you people, you cannot give the another name. Only hello.sh, hello.sh. You can give another name. Okay, yes. So in the all are wrong, commands you have written over there. Okay, see why A is there. Remove, press insert, and then the delete. Delete. Yeah, go down arrow keys. Delete. Yeah, so then echo after that, you have to give the, in the codes. You didn't use, you didn't follow. Totally wrong.
So I have to delete this bash.
I don't know what you are doing, the question, I have already showed you the video. So you can go and search. You are, instead of fixing your problem, you're asking from me. I have 60 students. You are busy with the talking with your friends. I had a question with all of you guys who are writing. Is this the
Welcome to the next video on shell scripting tutorial for beginners. In the last video, we have seen how we can create our first script and how we can are helpful to know some information script, but it will give you some information.
is this the command? Just give me 1 second. Okay, tell me, is this the command is written over there, which I have given you? You don't follow, you don't observe how we have to write on the command. You don't know how to remove all the unnecessary, the words, letters are written over there.
Information about your script. And then the second way of writing the comment is like this also. So you write your code or line of code, and then after that start a hash, and then this is also a comment, right? So this will also be your comment, and it will also not be executed, right? Now, these are the two most common ways of using comments in your script. There are some other ways, but these are the most commonly used ways, right? Now, let's talk about variables. So what are variables? Variables are the container which stores some data inside them, right? So whenever you define a variable, they store some kind of data. It can be a string data or any number or any other kind of data, right? Now in shell, there are, or any Unix system, there are two types of variables. One is the system variable, and other are called the user defined variables. Okay, so first is what are system variables. So system variables are created and maintained by your Linux or Unix operating system. So these are the some predefined variable which are defined by your operating system. And the standard convention is they are these are the variables which are version, right? And let, for example, I want to create a variable called name, and then the name of the can be used with your echo string with a dollar symbol before it, right? So in the same way, you can write some text here also, and it will work fine. So what we will write here is, for example, I will write our for our home directory, we can just write our home name is this, right? Or for
So you have seen how the commands are written over here. You people did not follow. I'm giving you the, the what you call it, the link of this file. So those who are still having issue where they can go through this video and they can fix the problem. Okay, I have shared my, the link so everyone can see, right? So those who are still struggling, so they can go through and they can fix their problem. Yes, Vikrant.
Yes, sir.
So make sure you have a, this one instead of, your problem is there, but you're still waiting for me, so I should ask from you. Another. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Gurinder.
Sir, I feel like understanding from YouTube videos difficult. So can you please uh, do them yourself and show us like line by line?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday I explained, right?
No, so like when you're doing it, tell us why you are doing this, like by showing us by doing it on your own instead of just showing YouTube videos.
I don't have an operating system, because I'm teaching the 4-5 courses. I cannot install all the software at the same time. Is that clear?
So, but you have to just run one server, right? You don't have to run like 5 virtual machines at the same time.
Excuse me, Gurinder, what you are saying is not acceptable. Maybe you're thinking why the teacher's not showing. I told you I have 4 or 5 courses at the same time. Is that clear? So you can write on your own PC and show to me. Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Like I find it difficult from understanding from YouTube videos.
Yes,
Because
sir.
they're like sometimes they're just too fast for my understanding.
Yes, sir. And it's
Yes,
not
sir. They
proper.
skip to the next step and we can't properly visualize the previous step.
So of course I can show you the video. Through the videos I can explain. So from the the commands I told you, I have too many softwares I have to install. So sorry, I can't, on my PC. I can show you. If you can show me on your PC, I will explain. Not 1 time, 2 times, 4 times, 10 times. I'm ready. Is that clear? Okay, so now I will
So
explain to you this program.
what softwares are we talking about here?
Excuse me, this is not of your business, Gurinder. We are focusing on the topic
So,
and you
but
are.
what's the point of the class if I can't understand anything?
So actually the question is this one, I have already mentioned to you this one, I'm teaching many courses at the same times, and then, the question is this one, what are the simple commands? This is not a very difficult, what you call it, the software, right?
Yeah, but like I did that. That's so I don't find it difficult anymore.
Okay, so tell
but
me the which
first
command
time I found it difficult, sir.
Okay, yeah. So Gurinder, that's the reason I ask you please tell me the which command you have an issue. I'm going to explain. Tell me. So we have 5 commands. Please tell me the which command you have a problem. I'm going to explain. No problem. That's it. I'm not, this one discouraging
And
you.
how
Yeah,
do like
listen,
teaching
right.
5 courses correlates?
Sorry.
Like I didn't get the 5 courses thing.
I say I am teaching, the 5 courses. I'm teaching Python. So I should install the Python software. I'm teaching the server 2016. So this is another software. I'm teaching the, the networking courses, the packet traces, the software I have to install, right? So you have to understand, so the each course, they need the, the resources. right? That's why I'm telling you. So I'm teaching that, the SQL Server. I have to install the SQL Server operating system, the database. You understand,
Sorry to
Yes.
say, sir, but I didn't pay for like studying from YouTube videos.
So I didn't ask you to this one. The question, this one, I'm going to convey the message. This is not the in-person class, right?
Sir, he's just saying for the clear vision for the commands. That's it, sir.
Like, just, sir, like,
No,
don't get me
the
wrong,
question,
just
this one.
open Linux in your own virtual machine and just share the screen, and that's all. Like, it gives us like a better understanding, because many of the students just can't understand like cd cp commands. Those are like basic commands.
Okay, I will try to think about this one. So today I cannot. So maybe from the next week I can do it.
Yeah,
right?
sure, sir. Next week. Thank
So
you.
today will be difficult for me if I'm going to, the install, right? So from the next week I can do it, right? But if you will say now I will start, then it's difficult, right?
Sure, sir. Next week. Fine.
Okay,
Thank
so
you.
the question is this one, the which, the command you don't know, so you can stop me that time. I don't think so that this is the, difficult. So, but the only the two commands we have learned yesterday. Yesterday, two commands. One is echo, one is, this one, variable. And still, there's some students yesterday, what is his name? Anish. Yes, Anish, have you finished?
No, sir, because sir, we even don't know the meaning of the command, so that's why, sir, we are struggling for that.
Meaning of the commands? What do you mean meaning?
So, like, why we are using this, why we are using this command, what is the benefit of this command, sir? We don't know even about this.
You are here, that yesterday you did not show me, and today I asked you, you said you have, the image. I asked you to open the file, you didn't show me yet.
Sir, I opened that, but sir, I have to confirm from my classmates, sir.
Confirm from classmate what?
Sir, what can I say?
The question, this one again, this one. So I told you this one, the software. So these are the very simple commands. And then the many students they are doing. Only the few students they have an issue, the problem. Maybe they are joining the class late. If they are what you call it, maybe not, the fully concentrated. Maybe they are not during the whole time. If I will give the comparison, Gurinder. So he's in the class. Akash is in the class, right? The Tanno. So many students they are doing the same time. Only the few students they are not showing what's the reason behind. This is not only the thing, that you're asking this one. So each command I have to open my, the what you call it, the operating system. Okay, so I will do it. So make sure you have to also struggle, right? You have also, the request. Okay, so those who are problem, I ask them, okay, please open your terminal. I'm ready to explain, right? I help them, right? So this will be the long debate, yes or no, yeah, who is good or who's bad, right? The question is this one, if you have any problem, please open your terminal and show to me. That's it.
Sir, simple thing is that the commands which they run in YouTube video, sometimes that command don't work in our Linux. So, sir, that's why. So the same command doesn't work sometimes.
Yeah, that's the reason I said, I'm here so that I ask you each, and yesterday, how many students I fixed the problem, right? So I told you the, what you call it, I will go through again. So let me install my software from the next week. Okay. So I will revise it. That's it. Okay. So, but that today the students who already said they have already done, so at least they have to show me their work, right? Yes or no? Could you please acknowledge me? So those students, they should show me, right? Okay, Parminder, you can show me.
Okay, sir. Sir, is it visible?
Yeah, just give me 1 second. Thank you. Yes, Sumanpreet, what's your question?
Sir, can I show my work?
Okay, please go ahead.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, I can see. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, Karanveer.
Sir, can I show my work?
Yes, please go ahead. Okay, could you please open this file? Okay, thank you. Vikrant, did you fix the problem?
Sir, I'm fixing it.
Yes, Jaspal, please show me. Yeah, that's why I'm asking you to show me. Okay. So please let me know. So these, could you please just show me again? Okay. So now please listen. So this is the the operating system. So first of all, you have to identify the what is the Ubuntu. Ubuntu is the operating system, right? How to the utilize, how to use this operating system. Okay, so for the yesterday work, I'm going to explain, and the previous work, so the what the Govinder, sir, we don't know the CP command, the basic command, the students are struggling. I will go through the next week. Okay, now you can listen here. So whenever you are writing the code, so that's called the bash script. Okay, so for this reason, we have to give the shebang notation. So we have to tell. So where is the bash? The interpreter is the files are there. So here is the command. So this is called the shebang. So then /bin/bash. So when you are going to write down this code, so where it will be, it will refer to this location. So to see the what is the purpose of the echo. What is the this one is the hashtag. So the hashtag means why we are going to use it. Okay, so now you can see here the first line. So we are going to start with the hashtag and then exclamation symbol. So this is called the shebang notation. Okay. After that, you have to understand. So whenever you are going to write on the command, you have to give the spaces. /bin, then /bash. Okay. So this is the first, the command you have to write out when you are going to do the bash scripting. The point is clear to everyone? Could you please acknowledge me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next is hashtag. So this is a comment. Comment means when you are writing the code, sometimes you don't want to show this message to on the screen. You don't want, so this will be the part of the your code. So why we are going to write on the comment? Basically, it is used for the programmer for guidelines. So for example, I have written one code. Maybe I'm going to share my code with all my friends. So what I'm going to do it, so I will add the comments. Maybe this is only the few lines, but you will think about the programmers who are writing the code, 1,000 lines of code, how they are going to do it. So they have to, what you call it, show that this, that they can read the code. So they can read in the comment, oh, okay, so this is the purpose of this code. Okay. So now the point is here. So how we can add the comments in the bash scripting. So hashtag, this is a comment. Okay, the next one. So echo. So echo is the command which is used for output statement. So this is the output. So show you the message on the screen. And then you have to write on here the hello. So that this, the hello will print out and then you can see on your screen. So again, the next one you can see here the number sign, the hashtag. So mostly you people use the word hashtag. Hashtag, this is also comment. So if you will look at here on the screen, on the right side, that you can see also the output as well. Is it showing over there? This is also comment. Can you see that one? Could you please acknowledge me?
Yes, sir.
Can you see? So the hello. So the maybe you are thinking after the hello, so this is also comment, it will show you, but it's not showing because I have already mentioned to you. So when you will use this one, the comment, so it will not, the execute. Okay. So it will not show you now. Okay. So the second line, sorry, this is the third line. Is there any question at this stage? Please let me know. Would you please acknowledge me?
No, sir, no question.
Okay, so the next command is echo. And then you can see here, so these are the built-in variables are there. So who can give me the information about the bash? Okay, so now you can see here that if I want to see the bash, the what you call the location, so you can see here. So we have a /bin What's going on, Jaspal?
So I have a question.
Yeah. Yes, please, Akash.
Sir, in the third line after echo, they typed the columns in which they typed hello, but in the last line they typed the name is variable correctly. Why is that?
So which one?
Sir, in the third line after echo, they typed the columns.
The double quotes, right?
Yeah, then wrote hello in that, but in the last line they didn't wrote that.
Yeah, so you can also include, no problem. So actually that this is very flexible. You understand? Ubuntu is very flexible. Sometimes you will see it will not print out, but sometimes it will give you the error. Error means it will not show you.
Sir,
Okay.
what will be the correct way to do that?
I think better to use the double quotes. That's because if you will look at here, when you will go to the other programming languages, so they use a double quotes as well. For example, you are in the first semester, right? So you will go to the third semester, you have to study the other courses, Python programming, other the languages, the PowerShell scripting, the course. So I think if you will follow that one, it's nice. Is that
Okay, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now if you will look at here, uh, eco bash version, eco home, and eco. So you have to understand one rule. So when you have a variable, so what is a variable? So variable, I have already mentioned to you, is a memory location. So in your computer, there is a memory location which is used to store the value. What is variable? Variable is a memory location which is used to store the value. So you have to keep two things. Number one, if I'm going to print out the variable values, so I have to use the what is written over there, the dollar symbol. So you can see here the dollar symbol is there, yes or no? So dollar symbol and then bash, dollar symbol and then bash underscore version, dollar symbol and then home. Okay, and then the dollar symbol and then the pwd. So if you will look at here, what do you mean pwd? If you have a previous knowledge, so it will show you it will print out your print working directory. What is it will? So these are the built-in variables in the bash. So if you want to see the in which directory, so then it will show you the value will be stored in the pwd for the home. So similarly, what is the if you want to see the home, the what you call it, the directory, so then you can type the dollar symbol home. If you want to see the version of the bash, maybe that everyone has the different the versions of the ubuntu. So now you can see here the dollar symbol bash underscore version. So if you want to see the bash, the files are there. So you can see here echo dollar symbol bash. Okay. So now if you will look at here, the name is equal to just. So if you will look at here, so what is the name here? So on the left side, so you can see in the blue color, so it is a variable, is a memory location. So what is name? Name is a
Variable.
yeah. So but variable, if you will define it in other ways, so name is a container. Name is a location. So it's like a container which will save the value of just over there. So like you can think about, you have a glass. In the glass, you can store the water, right? So the same thing is here that we have a variable. So variable is what is a variable? Is a computer, is a memory location which is used to store the values. Is that clear? Okay. Now the second, this one, we want to print out the name is, so how, otherwise it will show you the name is name, but it will, when you will add the dollar symbol, so this time the, the interpreter will understand, oh, so this is a different. So it is the, the memory location. So what the value is stored over there, and then it will pick, and then it will display to you. Does this make sense? Could you please acknowledge me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what if the variable has two values? Like by mistake, someone wrote two values for.
I'm just asking very nice question. You have a what you call it? What you call it? You have a glass. You can keep a one thing, water or the coke, right? So if you will, so only one value, it will override. You understand? So for example, if you're sitting on one, that what you call it, for example, I can say that you are driving a car. After that, so your friend is driving. So who will be? So which is the latest person, right? The same thing is here. So if you will, okay, you can try it. You can write down the, you have written the name Jess, and then after that, again you press and you write down the name Akash and print out. So it will override. It will overwritten over there. Did you get my point? So you can show me Akash. Could you please open your the?
One second, sir.
Yeah, no, Arsh, no, okay, so already you have written, okay, never mind. So go and, so what the value is showing?
So the last written value.
Override, right? Overwritten. So you have a
Yeah.
only one container. So if you will write down, so it will override. So then the previous value, we will lose the content, right? So
Yes,
now
sir.
you understand, you can have the multiple, if you want to store the multiple values, you can have multiple variables. Did you get my point? So you can put name one and name two. So you can make a different, maybe the first name, last name. So for example, now you have to print the, the students, the first name and the last name. So make sure you have to understand. So how I'm going to print out the values. So maybe first name and the last name, you can put F name and then last name. So then two different, the computer, the memory locations, the two containers. So in this time, you have only one container. One container can contain only one value. Is that clear? The Akash.
Yes, sir.
So you can change to the L name, and then you can go over there. L name. Yeah, first name. Yeah, the last name. Yeah. And then you have to go to the my first name. Does this make sense? Yes, guys. Do you understand now the? So only the two commands: echo to display the message, right? The second is the variable. The variable is a computer memory location which is used to store the value. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Anish.
Yes, sir.
So now you have fixed your problem.
Yes, sir. But sir, I couldn't find that. How can we write the bash? And like, if I write that, sir, I'm unable to backspace. Then, if I delete, then sir, I can't write over there.
I told you then. I don't think so. That you keep again. You are telling me the another problem. This is the the what you call it, the VI editor. So you have to practice. You have to one time, two times, three times. You will write down. Then you can fix the problem, right? If you will keep giving me the this the excuses, then I will not accept the
Sir,
others.
this is not, sir. It's not excuse, sir. Sir, yeah, we
Others,
are.
I tell you that this is the I. You have to press I when you will enter into the editor with the
Yes,
VI.
sir. After that, sir, if we do something, sir, if we write something wrong, sir, we can't go backspace, sir. Could you please help me to how to go back?
Okay, just go over there.
1 second, sir. Uh, 1 second.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I write this,
Okay. Okay.
but sir, I also written something.
What? Tell me. So now I'm here. So tell me now your exact problem.
Sir, like after this bin and bash, sir, I have to write the useless command, right? So, sir, after echo, I have to write this. But, sir, I'm unable to write echo like over here. It's not working. If I write something,
The echo what again? You cannot write.
yeah, sir. After this, sir, if I press enter, sir, it's like I don't know.
I think he has to press I for insert
I already written over there at the.
again because
You already inserted. You go up.
So the
Yeah, you
text
can
editor
type.
is easier to use.
Sir, how can I go up?
Yeah, just delete. Delete. Go back. Delete. That's it. Delete. Go over there. Delete. So you go on that, the location, delete. That's it.
But, sir, like I can't.
Write down echo now. Echo, it will work. I don't think so. Is there any issue?
Sir, one more question. Like if we write echo over there and we space, and if we if we want to press a dollar sign, and if we press a hash, sir, how can we delete this? I can't go.
Go a little bit again back and let's delete. That's it.
But if I press something like it shows no previous regular.
Sorry.
Sir, if I go backspace and delete, so sir, after that it shows no previous regular
No
expression.
problem. You can go further up. So that's not issues.
Yeah, then.
So the problem is to delete, right? So I tell you, so this is the way you can delete. It needs the more practice on it. So if you will ask me, so I can tell you. But if you will go on the top, is eyes there, right? So how you will delete? You go on the the you have to understand. So you have to use a keys, up arrow keys to go there, right?
Yes, sir. So if I go,
Go over there, go there and delete. Okay, go there, go there. No, I.
so
Yeah,
I delete.
yeah. So it works, right?
So if
So I told you that it takes the time to.
uh, yes, sir. But sir, after deleting the I, sir, I'm unable to write anything over there, sir. I have to press echo over there or something.
I don't think you're telling me different. It's now it's typing. I told you the first, that you have to understand, so that you have to press I, insert text. Then you can write everything. So now you're typing, right? I don't think so. What you're telling me, there's a big issue. If you want to make, it's okay, no problem. The whole class makes a big issue. No problem. Okay, now write equal again. No problem. You just write down. You are going down, down. Remove K, so the equal will start with E, right? Yeah. Delete, delete.
I already deleted. I have to go back. But after writing a echo, the arrows usually goes down.
I don't know what you are talking to me. You go over there where you want to write, go and write down. Nobody's going to stop you. You can remove, you can go. I told you the up arrow keys you are not using. If you are writing it, it's up to you. Okay.
If I go up arrow, yes, sir. Then I have
Write down.
echo over there.
I don't know, so what command you want to write down. I don't know.
Sir, I want to write echo space.
Write down echo.
Sir, I want to write echo space dollar dash.
Okay, write down. Who's going to stop you?
E. Sir, if I write E, sir, it goes down.
Okay, backspace. Use the backspace.
Sir, backspace, I'm doing backspace. But it doesn't work.
Okay.
It give me a sound.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to send the request. Could you please accept?
Yes, sir.
For me is working.
Sir, how you do that?
I just write echo. I didn't do anything.
Sir, if I press echo, sir, the arrows goes down at the bottom.
I don't know. I do in front of you. I didn't do anything. I just go on the the with arrow keys on the top. I press equal. It's going to print. I don't know. So what you will do it?
Okay.
Yeah. So that's why I'm saying. When you say something, it doesn't the feel that I accept. Yes,
Yes.
Akash. Sorry. Yeah, that's I'm saying this one. It needs not only the things you have to understand. For example, if you are driving a bike for some months, so first you will feel something shaking your hand, right? After that, the where is the how to press the brake, how right, so that you will know, right? So here is the same thing. You have to practice. You have to. I think there's one question, Akash. Yes, Akash.
So text editor is easier to use than VA editor.
Yeah, you are right. I don't want to, what you call it, ask you because the better to do this one, be professionals. You understand, Akash?
So
Be
like
professional. It does not mean the but don't pick my words. I have seen here in this class. The when the Govinda was saying to me, and some few students they are smiling. So I thought that but you have to understand. So then that this is the VI editor. I'm using only one editor, right? VI editor. So if I will go others again, you will say, oh sir, some students are confused. Do you understand, Akash?
yes, sir.
You try to understand if this is the level. Just now I've seen, sir, the copy commands when they didn't get it. So make sure you should have your own. Why we are paying to show you? You are showing the videos, according to the just file, right? Why they don't hire the another? It shows me that that you just want to create a scene. Okay, no problem. I am here to help you. No problem. If you really want to learn, you can learn. If you want to go here and there, it's up to you. No problem. Yes, Jaspal. So you are not listening our conversation? No, the question is this one. Listen, you have to understand we are teaching virtualization, right? Not in class. So you have to understand. Because in the class we can use a whiteboard, we can have the other stuff. We can check each and every student by their computers, right? Yeah. So you have to understand the situation. Don't look at from your point of view, right? Every time. I told you that that I'm the actually if the college they will give me so that I can create the courses more betterly. But that then that they are not the Cisco academies. I am the Cisco instructor, so they're the courses over there. I cannot use those Cisco material in this in the class. You have to understand the copyrights issue here, especially. Understand? I can show you here. Just wait. I will show you. Okay, so look at this one. So this is the Cisco Academy. I cannot use my the over there the Cisco. What I'm the courses here. You can see the the Linux course too, and you can see the cybersecurity. Understand? This is Did you see this one? All materials there. Is that clear? This part. Okay, so those who have not done so, please show to me. This Navjot, did you show me yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another Vikrant, did you fix that problem? Vikrant.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, please show me. Okay, could you please open? So now everyone has to understand when I ask you to open the file, so you have to type the command vi hello the file name .sh vi file name .sh sorry sh, right? So this is the code as written. Okay, thank you, Vikrant. Well done. Okay, the next.
Excuse me, sir.
Just give me 1 second. Let me add some students. Just give me 1 second. Yes, sure, please.
Yes, sir. Summation.
Yeah, okay, you can show. Could you please open the file? So vi hello.sh. Okay, thank you. Yes, Akash, what's your question?
Sir, like, can you teach more about the Viator? Like, there are some commands. Sometimes I want to delete a line, but I
One by
can't use anything.
there are two. Excuse me, just a minute. Vikrant, could you please mute yourself? I think you're okay now. Yes, Akash, yes, please.
So yesterday also, while I was writing help.sh script in Viator, and I wrote uh, code like spelling mistakes were there, and I tried deleting them, but I can't. Then I searched the Google, and there I found the command to type dd, and it will delete the line. Like, how many sir basic commands are there of VI editor? Can you teach us more about that VI editor?
Anish, could you please mute yourself? Thank you. Yeah. So which command you said that, because there's nice was there. Which command you have mentioned? DD? What you
Sir,
said?
pressing dd to delete a line.
Uh-huh.
And sir, I was having a problem in writing, so that's why I shifted to text editor.
Yeah. No problem. I didn't say anything. So for example, when you are learning the driving, so some people they are learn on manual, some people they are using auto, no issues. But I'm just telling you that I just want to fix with the VI editor, so which is by default, which is available in Ubuntu. You understand? So we have other options as well, no problem. But the question, this one again, if one person is using another editor, you are welcome, no issues, no problem. But again, then I have to be, that some student again confused if we are using the more than one option. So I said, okay, this is your learning stage. Learn your car by manual. Don't go for auto. That's it. I didn't say anything. I don't have any what you call it. Here, maybe the Notepad plus plus. A lot of the editors are available. So even maybe some editor we also don't know, right? Understand the point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no issues. But again, Same thing, that we should be on the same page means if you have a student any problem now with the basic command, so how we can, look at the other options, right, Akash? Okay, okay. I understand now. Yeah, I got the message now clearly. So that time was there is two people are talking at the same time. Okay, understand. No, it's not a point. So then you can, that raise your hand. So every time Akash, you raise your hand. So I'm here to give you the answer, right? So that time you can raise the issue so we can fix. So now we have to understand the situation. You have to also understand me. So then if this kind of issue, so you can raise the point immediately without any, the thinking about anything. Okay, Akash, is that clear,
Excuse me,
Akash?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Navneet.
Sir, may I show you now?
Okay, please. Manisha, I hope so. You can also show me now, right? After Navneet.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes. It's visible. Thank you.
Sir, today I'm present, but you did mark my absent.
Okay, I will check. No issues. Manisha,
Yes, sir.
have you done?
No, sir.
So what's the problem? So please let me know so I can handle.
So actually, I'm doing extraction after my class because yesterday I was not present, so I unable to do that one. So that's why.
So that's why we are here. So I can help you. So just
Can
open
I
the.
can I do after class, sir?
No, it's up to you. Now I'm here. So now everyone is saying, sir, if you will not show us, so then how we can do it? So now I'm here. So it's very simple. You just open at least if you are interested. Otherwise, if you're not interested, then of course
No, sir. I'm interested, but not now.
you're
Sorry.
not feeling well.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. That's another situation. No problem. Okay, so you have to understand, first of all, everyone. So think about one point. Dharminder, everything is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to understand, so that when you are going to write on, so you have to type the VI. So VI, I'm going to open. So then I will specify the file name .sh. So when you will go inside the VI editor, so first thing you have to do it, press I. You are going to insert the text. Then you can type. And then slowly you will know how to delete and how to do the other stuff. And then when you will finish writing, then you have to press the escape key. And then colon W for means write, save the file, Q for quit. And then the next step is you have to give the permissions. After giving the execute permission, then you can run the file. How you can run the file? Dot and slash and then the file name .sh. That's it. So these are the points. If you will keep in mind, no issues. If you are having the trouble, then you can contact to me. I'm here, right? Is that clear, Anisha? Okay, so Rajvinder, please show to me.
Yes, sir.
Rajvinder, yes?
Hello. Yes, sir.
Your voice is too low, Rajvinder. Okay, open the file. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, the next is the
Excuse me, sir.
yes, love, please.
Can I share my screen?
Yes, please. Okay, yeah, good. No need to. Okay, I've seen the hello one. Dot yes, it's good. Well done.
Sir, can you mark my present yesterday?
Yesterday we are talking about today. Yesterday, close to.
Sir, you said.
Okay, so what is her name? Lapre. So make sure when you will come out. So colon and WQ. So not every time. So in this way, your terminal will be closed.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Arjun, please show to me. Okay, thank you. What is in C and J? Arjun, what you have written? The command is not found.
I just misspelled the word.
Oh, okay, okay. Right.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Arjun.
Good, thank you, sir.
Oh, okay. Amanveer, could you please show me?
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, good. Manveer, Manveer is there. Manveer we have in this class. Sukhmanpreet Kaur.
Yes, sir.
Go down. Yes, go down, please. So it is showing the command not found. Could you please
Yes,
show
sir.
me this one? Vi hello.sh. Okay, thank you. What is his name? Mohit. Yeah, Mohit, could you please? Mohit, are you there? Gorinda, is there any important? So actually, I'm going to check with others. Guys, yes, Gorinda.
Sir, I'm just confused. Like, what was wrong with the Sukhman Priest commands? Because I just like when I saw it, I found it right, but there was some like still some issues there, like command not found.
Yeah. So actually, the sometimes which what will be happen? What you call it? Actually, this is the freeware. So you understand. So sometimes that this one we have operating system, or maybe sometimes we have a settings issue. So this might be the problem. So we will look at this one. I will let you know. Mohit, he left the class. Where's Mohit? He was here. You see, so now what should I do? So when I'm asking the students, please show me if they will left the class, so how we can help? Harmeet, okay, thank you. Uh, Kapil, Kapil. Okay, thank you. Next, Arjun. Arjun, you already showed me. Okay, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Joban, Joban.
Which one, sir?
One by one, show me first Joban one, then Joban two, no problem.
Yesterday I showed you.
Okay, the Joban two.
Sir, but I have one problem. My Adruka was removed from Oracle. I don't know how.
What you said?
Sir, my Adruka was removed from Oracle.
Azureka is from?
Sir, removed from Oracle.
Okay, let me the connect with my headset. Just a minute. Yes, tell me. What's
Sir, yesterday I showed you, but after that my Adruka was removed from Oracle.
so yesterday you showed me and now you had a problem, right?
Sir, my Adruka was removed from Oracle.
Azureka is moved, it's deleted, right?
Sir, I share my screen.
Okay.
Sir, I don't know how it is moved.
What can I ask? What I can maybe I'm not sure. So what you have done it? How come it is deleted
Sir, I
from
don't.
the virtual box?
Sir, my all
Sir,
Windows.
actually, yesterday he messaged me also that his Adreka went, his Adreka went missing.
Akash, just for
Sir, if I try to again add, but it is not added.
Yeah, just for everything is responsible the instructor, right? So if anything deleted on your system, anything, how come just for be professionals. Just listen to me. If it is deleted, I don't know what he has done. This is not the way you just put everything on the professor.
Sir, but I
You
asking you,
are yes,
I
please.
think you know the problem, how it is removed.
I don't know, so that maybe what you have done it. So I don't know, so maybe you deleted or something. We don't know. Maybe you shut down. There's many reasons, not only the one reasons, right?
Okay, sir.
And this kind of stuff, I have seen the first time. I don't know, so that maybe some people, the have the issue. I'm not sure.
Okay, sir. I will again.
You understand? You just have a one, this concept. Okay. So we have to put everything on a professor. Okay, please continue. No problem. I'm here. Then second Jobanpreet is here in the class. Jobanpreet 2. So second Jobanpreet is not here. Okay. Another we have Vanshika.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Magdeep.
Okay, sir, give me a minute.
Sure. Divjot Kaur.
Yes, sir.
Please show me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Shaina.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you please mark my present? Because at the time of attendance, I had some network issue in the beginning of the class.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Who's just Divjot? What is?
Yes, sir, Devjot.
Sir, me also Navneet Kaur.
Namneet Kaur, have you done your work?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please show me. Thank you. Shaina. And who is this? This is Mahak. Okay. Thank you, Mahak. After Shaina, you can show me Namneet. Is that clear?
Sir, I also show you.
Again, you can show me. No problem. Is there anything?
Okay, sir.
Did you close your this one? The Ubuntu?
Sir, it
Okay,
was
thank
timed
you.
out.
Thank you. Okay. Show me Namneet.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Shahbaz, did you show me yesterday? Shahbaz,
Yes, sir.
please show me.
So, can I show you now?
Yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now, Twinkly Jyots, please show me your work.
Yes, sir. So there's no problem with the hello command.
So ls hyphen l, just write ls,
Yes, sir.
ls command. Over the ls, first you have to understand why it is giving you the error. You have to see why the file you have already created, but it's not going to execute. What is hello ls hyphen l, enter, enter.
I
Hello
already
dot
entered.
okay. Hello is there, right? Okay, so the vi, because you are showing me the shell dot sh, but here you are going to show me the hello vi space hello dot sh. So there is nothing is there, right? You put dot hello dot sh. So many problems. Okay, so what you will do here? Okay, so press enter. Okay, now you can write on here and you have to give the space over there, right? You can see. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, you fix this problem. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Anish, please. Your problem solved, Anish? About your
Yes, sir. I'm
education.
going to share my screen with you.
Good. I need this spirit. Just totally. If you will put it on me, then I said I can't help you. Understand?
Sir, now I have to press vi space hello.sh
For what?
to show you.
No, you have to give you have to understand the first you have to run how to run
Dot
slash
one sec, dot slash
hello dot sh. This is the command, but it will not work. It will give you the error. Why?
yes, sir. It give me error.
Yeah, so why you have to add the permission. chmod, then plus x space plus x. So you are going to add the permission of execution space hello dot s. Even you don't, the write down the complete command and then you're putting everything on the professor didn't teach us, How come, 1,000 times we have done it. So
Sir, after this,
space hello dot sh. Even I say that you don't listen properly and then you follow your own way. Okay, enter. So now you have given the permission. Now run the command hello dot slash hello dot sh. So it's not showing. So what's going on?
if I write hello vi space hello.sh,
Go and check what is the command what you have written. Enter. What you have written? So many things are here. So many things are. I'm not sure you have written properly or not. Just remove all these things and make it in the proper way. I just create a new file. I think better create a new file. Go
But
exit
sir,
from. Just
but
listen.
sir,
Listen. The question.
yeah,
This one. Here's so many problems.
yeah,
In this time, we can create another file. Very simple way.
okay,
Understand my point?
yes, sir.
Yeah. Try to understand in one thing. Maybe the here the dot asset also you have some issue. You can out. You can yeah. You can also vi hello one dot sh. You can create very simple, very faster. Instead of we are focusing on this one, so many up down, one hello one dot sh. So this is my new brand file. I'm going to work on that one. Okay. So the first is this one, the hashtag. Remove, go back.
Backspace.
Backspace. Yeah, you can go backspace. It doesn't work. If not, so then delete key.
Sir,
Okay.
the arrow goes down.
No problem. You can go up with the arrow key. You have it. No issues.
But sir, if I go up, sir, I can't write over there.
Anyway, you just write on equal. It will work. I don't think so. There will be any problem.
I write eco.
Yeah. But you put H, not equal.
Can I write over there?
Yeah, anywhere.
Okay. Sir,
just remove I. We go back. Remove I. You still have some, the editor problem, so you're not familiar very well. Echo. Okay, write on and show to me. Okay. So maybe you are having, the maybe stress in front of a whole class. Sometimes it also happens. Okay, so now we are going to end of the session. Okay, please guide me for the next week. What are the things I have to more focus? Please guide me on this matter. Yes, Jaspal, Gurinder, and
Excuse me,
Akash.
sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Arjot. And
Yes, sir, you have
two.
marked me absent.
Okay, I will go. Okay, yes.
You
Arjot,
also mark me
Akash.
absent.
Sir, mark me present.
Yes.
excuse me, sir. Sir, you marked me absent in yesterday class as well.
Yeah, because you joined late. I told you, Danish. Again, you yesterday
But
talk
sir, I
about
was
today.
I was
Okay.
in class.
My important stuff is to fix your problems about
Yes,
your
sir.
the studies, right?
Yes, sir.
So the what is his name? Gurinder, he's maybe you're the monitor of the class or whatever. Okay, so please tell me the what are the things I want to cover in the next class. Please guide me. Akash, Jaspal, who was also talking. Kamar Pal. Yes. Hurry up. Yes, I'm waiting for the response, the feedback.
Yes, sir.
What, sir?
You also said, Dana, just now the Grinder said that, sir, you have to install the software, you have to show the commands from your side. We are not getting the point. So that's the point I have requested from the Jaspal, Grinder, and Akash. So they are very, what you call it, they said, yeah. So Arjun also was supporting them. So please tell me what the points you have confusion. I'm going to explain. That's it.
Sir,
My
I was
main
only
confusion is
One
only
by one
regarding
person.
VI editor.
One by one person. Excuse me. I can't, understand. One person, one time. Yes, Jaspal. Yeah, you just guide me. So the what the points which we have discussed last time, you thought so the I did not teach you because I just showed you the videos because you are paying the fee for the for teaching, not for showing the videos. Could you please tell me the which points, which topic you want more discussion? I will be there for next week. Okay, to discuss. That's already over there. You're still over there. The double D command, sir. We have to search by ourselves. We have to search with it. Okay. Another command only and yeah, just the specific topic you have to tell me. So the which topic you think? Okay. So that these are the creation of the copy command, move command, or what are the command? Just tell me. Not DD already done. Okay. Come to the next. Yes, Kamarpal.
sir, I was saying that it happens sometime when in video they show the command, but it don't work on our Linux.
Okay.
It sometimes show denied or permission not found. So that thing confuses.
Okay, so actually you have to understand, the many ways. Sometimes you are not using the proper, the privilege mode so that you don't have permissions. So just now we have when we are going to execute the file, so we have to give the proper permissions to execute the file. Even that sometimes you are not login as a super user password. So you have to log in as a supervisor, then you can run the command. That's not a big issue. Here is you have to understand the problem, right? So now tell me the any problem for installation about the commands. Please let me know so then I will be ready for those commands to discuss. That's I mentioned to you. So Gurinder, he tell me and now I don't know. So is there or no? Gurinder, are
I'm
you
here,
there?
sir. I'm here. Yes,
So
sir.
please, so you turn off your video now.
So I'm having some like issues with my eyes. It's just burning.
Okay. So I'm just asking you the guidelines. So the what the topics I have to cover it. So then maybe the student they asking from you. Maybe you are the what you call it conveying the message
Like
from
what
the
I was
on.
saying was just like show us when you're doing on like if you show us when you're doing on your own, then it will just like give us a better understanding. That was my point.
So you want so the from the beginning we have to what the
No, no,
commands.
sir.
Uh-huh.
Like we have done enough. We understood that, and like just from
Okay.
next onwards, just if you like use your own machine, it will just make us understand better. Like basics are like easier to understand, so we got those. But now the difficult
Okay, never
commands are
mind.
coming
So
up.
my system will be ready next week, Thursday. Okay, so we will
Yes,
go
sir.
from the beginning. From the beginning, all the commands. One command is sufficient, right? So within 2 hours, we can, in one session, we can cover up all the previous commands. Yes, is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Thank you, sir.
Any other suggestion, please? You are welcome. But that if you will give the suggestion in a positive way. So if I do not feel that maybe you are giving in the wrong way. You understand the point, Gurinder? Daspal?
Yes, sir. We understand.
Yeah, but the Jaspal said that sir, maybe the nose, the how why the the machine is removed from the virtual box. I don't know, maybe it deleted or something. How I will know? All right. So this makes me, the thinking, what do you think? Everyone I'm responsible? Of course not, right? From your side, your machine. Gurinder, you are laughing. What happened,
Nothing, sir.
Nothing. I know that I'm teaching. I have experience. I know that the class. That this one. So what's going on? Don't worry.
So I wasn't laughing at you. I was just laughing that he deleted his machine and
I'm
like
responsible. That's it.
not you, sir. Like
No. But the Spali said, sir, maybe the professor knows about that one. How come I know? Wait, if he deleted, how you can help him? Jaspal, tell me how you know?
Sir, I ask you, I think you know.
How you know he didn't delete? The question is this one, Jaspal. Listen, how much do you take time to fix his issue? Better to install the new the machine. That's it.
Sir, we tried that also. There was some error with the system. I think the Oracle's files got corrupted. Now we have told him to reinstall that.
Here is many reasons, so the why the Oracle sometimes we don't have the updates. Maybe
There may be
sometimes we have a copyright
proper
issues.
shutdown.
Sir, but I think you know the problem, so that's why.
Even I just tell you, when you are how many times you are working, everything working fine, suddenly you cannot open the file. How many times? Every day, maybe every second or third day, it happens, right? What you are going to do mostly? You will restart your computer, right? Even your cell phone, you want to call, you cannot make a call sometimes, and then what you will do? You restart your cell phone, the problem solved, right? The question is this one, you have to understand the situation. Okay, so I think we have already extended the time. Manisha, I think you will look at this the activity and try to do it, and if you have any problem you can discuss with me next week.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and make sure the next time I will not listen to this kind of this one, what you call it, sorry, my machine is not working, so you have to fix your machine, right? Some
No,
students,
sir.
I'm not talking to you. I talk one, the problem, one person, sir, I didn't say about that one. I didn't ask
Oh,
you. I'm just
okay,
giving
okay,
you
sir.
the general, the concept, the sometimes. So I asked the Mohit, please show me. And
Oh,
suddenly he's no more in the class. What should I realize?
okay, sir.
But I'm also responsible because I called his name, right?
Oh.
And then he left the class, right? Okay,
Yes,
then see you next week. And also
Excuse me, sir.
No, yes,
Sir, can you mark my present?
how many times you mentioned to me this one?
Sir,
I
today
listen. I listen you 3 times, from your side. I say yes. The
Okay,
important point is learning, not the attendance. And just suddenly she jumped, sir. I had this issue. I don't know where I should go. One student say like that, another student says another issue. So I'm just expressing, I'm telling only the Manisha, what's you're scolding me? I think, right?
No one,
Excuse
sir.
me, sir.
Sorry.
Okay, so now the question is this one. The success will come if you have working hard, right? It's not only the me. I can guide you, right? So the rest is up to you, right? I can advise you. Okay then. See you next week. Is there any problem?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir, please.
Sir, I'm going to next Sir, to next Wednesday might be Monday or Friday.